Want to unlock amazing image editing magic without spending a dime? Let's jump straight into mastering Cutout.Pro for free. First, head over to Cutout.Pro's website. The key to free access lies in their free tools section, usually found in the navigation bar. Let's start with background removal. Click on Product Photo Maker. Upload the image you want to edit. Cutout.Pro uses AI to automatically detect and remove the background almost instantly. Now, you can choose to keep the background transparent or customize it. You can change the background color to white or any other solid color. You can also add a new image as the background from their library or upload your own. Explore other free tools like the AI Cartoon Generator, where you can turn your images into fun cartoons. Simply upload your photo and let the AI work its magic. Another great free tool is the face cutout feature. This is super useful for creating avatars or profile pictures. Upload your image, and Cutout.Pro will isolate the face. Remember, the free version adds a small watermark. If the watermark bothers you, consider cropping it out, or if you need images for commercial use, explore their paid plans. And that's it. You've now unlocked the power of Cutout.Pro's free tools. Experiment, get creative, and elevate your images today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see.